here flipping bailers and stuff. We got in this lineup, okay. Come on, man, the big dog.
You wrong as hell.
You wrong. So that's how you gonna solve your problem.
With a gun to you talking.
Somebody told me don't get too friendly with everybody here. I'm like, nah, fact though. You right on that one though, player. Man, another day, another dollar, man. You feel me? Going. Trash is finna handle. We gotta unload this fat ass truck. This nigga got backed up. For all them bailers I did. So we got a busy day, man. And then some nigga called out, so. We'll be alright. Legendary that he got out.
There's certain people that I ran into.
All of that.
That is like
that shit,
tall. And you know, I'm gonna tell you, man, it's tall.
Yeah, right, man. We getting them shits. We pulling these. We putting these in there. Feel me? Shit going on. We having a goddamn. We gotta have them skills to do this shit, man. And we gotta make. It's a lot. It's a lot, man. We gotta make sure this shit go in there right. Just letting the professionals do it, man. I'm just keeping count. You feel me? Y'all see how it's going though, man. I had to let the boy D take over, dog. Shit's a little fucked. Yeah, there's a lot of them in there. That's number 16 right there. Feel me? I feel the whole damn truck up, man. Bullshit. Think you can drive out here flipping fucking bailers and shit. Tell them, boy, get the hell out of here. Trying to get them onto the side like that. That's a little tricky. Yeah, a little tricky. I couldn't do that shit, bro. I was like, bro, hell nah, nigga. Got that shit right. Unloaded all that shit. Now I'm gonna take my broom for this. Start from the back, go and get this bitch clean. And we finally made it to the fucking bailers, dog. Up. Got a whole bunch of extra shit I had to do. It's all good though, man. We're gonna get it done, dog. I'm still moving tired as fuck. Gonna smoke a fat ass blizzy on break. So yeah. Whip looks clean though. Y'all see her? You know what I'm saying? There's no cap in my wrap. My shit hard for real. You got the Mustang with the mesh girl. We got two mesh girls right there. I know they be watching me on the camera recording and be like, yo, what the fuck's he doing? They know I vlog though. I just haven't given my channel. Because it has like my other job up here. And they think I was working at Millennial Print Group, which is one of my last jobs. But, you know, it just wasn't that smooth for me. You know, but, so yeah. Don't need them snooping on my YouTube channel and being like, hold on. You told us you work here, blah, blah. You know, some bullshit. So, just keeping it on the low. Somebody told me don't get too friendly with everybody here. I'm like, nah, fact though. You right on that one though, player. Fuck around, get comfortable again. You feel me? Hell no. We ain't going for it. Fuck what they talking about. Man, let's get it, man. I keep looking at the time, that shit going slower and slower, so let me just lock in and grind, man. Oh, you feel me? Lock in with this shit, man. This one ain't that full. We straight with that one. All right, man. We starting a new truck from scratch. You dig? All right, it's still before lunch. We just finished the bailing. Another truck just pulled up. You don't see the dudes that normally be on this shit. So, guess I'm gonna have to unload that bitch too, man. Yeah, man. I'm gonna do that. Fuck it, I'll get the training in. I'm normally not the person that do this because I don't really got a lot of experience on the pole shit, but fuck it. You know what I'm saying? It's working. Got all that done. Oh yeah, them little rolls in there, we'll handle that. I handle that little shit, you feel me? They gotta put that shit up, bro. dumb as shit. Can't even feel me. Come on, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I got it, man. We on break, man. Been in that bitch going hard. Man, this thing is making my car smell amazing. What I need to do is get some KimseyUFO or like UFO ones and get them in and start selling them, bro. Look good though. On the gas though. You feel me? I'm in the big geeked up, but geeked up. All the guys. Yeah. They go Nell. They got that boy D. Feel me? This warehouse 101 right here. Got another truck backing up. Slimy car. Feel me though. Alright, man, we made it through the day.
My own
You
house.
attacked your brother. You wrong as hell.
You wrong.
Right.
You dead wrong.
Yeah.
Because you want to solve everything with violence.
Yeah,
So
right.
damn bitter.
Nigga ain't finna hit me
You
with no
bitter
Draco.
about life.
You want to
You
solve
can't get your
everything
shit
with
together.
violence. So that's how you gonna solve
Man, he hit
your
me with a
problem.
gun. The fuck is you talking about, bro?
You want-
You a
you want
fucking
tag
goofy,
him.
bro. That nigga up the gun in my face before I even touched the nigga,
He
bro.
don't give a damn what we do for him. He
Oh,
don't
fucking
give a
goofy
shit,
as
bitch.
fuck, bro.
He talked
Brandon.
to us so damn disrespectful. You
You
should
talk
be
to me
ashamed
like
of
I'm
yourself.
somebody on the street,
You
Brandon.
are
We just
ridiculous.
talked about being closer to
That's a
God.
shame.
What you
What?
doing? That is not God.
That's a
Y'all
shame.
Brandon.
trying to bring somebody around me that hit me with a Draco. That's y'all fault. That's y'all fault of
It's
what's
not
happened.
my
Y'all think
fault.
shit's
It's my
sweet.
shit.
Y'all think shit's sweet. If you
It's
bring
my
him
shit.
around me,
Brandon,
I'm doing him bad.
We
If
don't
you do
give a
that
damn
again, I'm putting you out my house
And
again.
for good.
And
You
you're
can't
never
do that.
coming back.
That's it.
You're not
kid.
doing that.
That's
You're
it.
not
Y'all trying
ever
to bring
doing
him
that.
around me. I already told y'all
No.
what it
You
was.
have ruined it. You know
I'm
what?
telling you, you got one
don't
time
have
to
Y'all
no
do
look
it.
friends.
goofy as hell.
You don't.
You got
ain't no
one
friends in my
time,
house.
man. Just like that ticket, you got one time.
He been here all
Don't
damn
ever
day.
do
What
that.
the fuck you gonna do about it? He been here all
Y'all
fucking
goofy
day.
as
What the
hell.
fuck
Y'all
you
bring
do?
him around me. That's on
That,
y'all.
Brandon, all I'm saying
Well, I
is,
tell you what, you better start packing now, buddy, because ain't no Negro that I gave birth to gonna disrespect my home.
yeah,
You
you're
have
not gonna
done
disrespect
enough.
your parents.
That
That's
nigga
it.
hit. That
Pack
nigga-
your shit. Pack
Brandon,
your shit.
you
'Cause
just
I'm
need to
done.
go ahead and pack right
Pack your
now.
shit because you are too
You're not
fucking.
doing. You're not
no,
doing
you
that.
don't get it. You don't comprehend that you cannot disrespect your fucking parents.
Y'all
And you
fucking
do that
goofy
shit
as
every
hell,
fucking
man.
time, dude. You attacked your brother. You are wrong, so you deal with God on that.
Yeah, okay, I'm going to
You
deal with
deal
it.
with God on that, because I'm going to tell you something right now. You put your hands on that boy, you going to jail.
Yeah, all right. Yeah,
And she
all
going
right.
to bail your ass out.
Yeah, all right.
And she the hell ain't going to be me. Niggas is doing good. And you
That
fucking
nigga hit me.
jealous about
That
it.
nigga hit me with a fucking
He's
Draco.
doing
Try to
fucking
bruise me up
good,
with a
and you
fucking Draco.
jealous.
Y'all fucking
He's
goof.
doing
Oh,
good,
oh,
and
now
you're
I'm
jealous
jealous.
as fuck.
See, that's why you a
That's why
fucking
you got
hater.
anger in
Now
your
you
heart.
look. Now
You
you
got anger
exactly.
in your
Look
heart,
at you.
fucking dumbass.
Look at. She think I'm jealous of the nigga. You a fucking
dumb as
goofy,
hell.
bro.
You're so jealous.
Exactly,
Dear,
bro.
why you going back and forth with
Exactly.
him?
Look at her, bro. What's up, YouTube? Boy, I had to disconnect this shit from my car to record now. I don't know why it's doing that, cause that shit ain't never take the audio from me being connected to my car. I ain't never had to disconnect my shit, man. I think it's a new fucking iOS or some shit, bro. So fucking that shit up. But yeah, we on the way to this Cars and Coffee in Morrisville. I'm late as hell to that shit though. This shit started at 9 and ended at 11. And see, it's about almost 11 now. I'm on the way to pick somebody up too. I ain't even on the way to this shit. So yeah, man. If we don't make it, if we don't get to see nothing at this one, it's another car show. I think on Millbrook Road at 2 to 5. So we'll go to that one. But yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? I just couldn't get up this morning, man. You feel me? Couldn't get up, bro. We on the way to this shit though, man. You feel me? I ain't been to a car meet in a minute, so we're gonna see if it's, cause at 11 that's when everybody be leaving. But that's the show part anyway though, when everybody be leaving. Cause goddamn, I mean, you can watch the cars parked up, but I mean, the main part is when they leaving and everybody be doing pulls and shit like that. So yeah, we'll probably get a little bit of footage out there, man. You dig? Yeah, so we just pulled up some motherfucking meat, man. Late as hell. They got the cameraman out there. Motherfucking revving and shit. Hell yeah. Shit. That nigga shit gotta be some trucks. See what we got in this lineup, okay. That's a Mercedes, I want that bitch hard. You got the same light. That BMW, okay, Beamer gang, they should be built the fuck up. Out there with the camera. Yeah, this, so everybody should still be lined up. Let me slow my ass down. Other boys be out there. Yeah, they be out there every time. The Morrisville have it deep. Oh, that was a G37. That was another car like mine. Dang, everybody shit clean. This shit deep. I'm going down here. Hell yeah, used to come over here every time on break, get some Chipotle, motherfucker. Oh yeah, let me in too, player. Oh yeah, come on, baby. Yes, sir. Appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, they have the lamb chop. They put the lamb chops. Oh yeah, this one. Ooh, that bitch clean, right? The lamb chops hard.
Okay, what is that one?
That's a BMW. That's like one of them newer BMWs.
Wait, what's that right
there? That's a Lamborghini. That
really?
hard as hell. Hell yeah. Hard. Nah, you good. Feel me? They be having like, so all the Lamborghinis are parked next to each other. All the Ferraris are parked next to each other. There's probably a lot of them before, but this shit over now. Y'all probably too. Motherfucker be coming true. See, these folk out here got that money though.
So next month we know we need to come.
They be having their cars exactly how they want it.
Yeah, what's that?
This bitch right here, wicked. Oh yeah, this the one right here. Little sport motherfucker. Limited edition, you can tell. Yeah, what's up, bro? What'd you say? This is C8. Y'all know I'm coming satin black, man. This is the color I'm coming. No bad. No bad. Satin black on their ass. So yeah, that's fresh shit right there. Nigga behind us. Oh man, we're a little late to this shit, but it's still hella motherfucking cars out here. See, I told you it's still. Oh yeah, that's that fast shit. That nigga got an airbag on this shit. Come on, man. Look, GTR, yeah. That's for when like they do pulls at a track and then they gotta slow down real fast and that like a parachute will come out of that bitch. Oh yeah, he got carbon on the hood. That bitch clean as fuck. Ooh. Oh yeah, everybody, he finna rev that bitch, ain't it? Damn. That nigga got the big ass. recording. Got the same logo. See, they be coming trim though. See, I'm trying to come like that with twins. Got crazy with. That D-Char just read that shit. That shit was loud as fuck. They ain't do it while recording though. Bitch clean too. That shit just all sport. I need to put that body kit on my shit. Oh, that's a McLaren. What type of McLaren that is? Damn, they got the whole game. They all got the same logo. Oh, that's a 7.6. That bit hard too though. Come on, man, the big dog. Parked up at this other car meet, bro. We're kind of early. It's 2 something. Looks a little small time right now, but we'll see. We're gonna get close up on it right now. It's a little bit of cars. I'm gonna show y'all boys, man. I don't know about this one, guys. It's a little small time, man. Kinda feeling the vibe, man.
Roll a fat ass one and smoke that bitch down to some roaches. He jump up in that